back, and I'm going to make my family some open-faced tuna melts. Real simple. I've got my tuna fish there. I made that yesterday, so I'm going to lay down my bread. Now you can make your tuna fish any way you like. I just make mine with a little bit of onion, just the way they like it, and add a little miracle or mayo in it. Okay, so I got them laying down there. Let me set that aside. I'm going to take a little bit of my tuna fish, and I'm going to spread it on each one of these. A little more than that. They like a nice amount, but not too much. You can do it however you like it. Some people like it mounded right up there. Some like it real thin, but this is how I do it. Boy, do I ever have a head cold or allergies or something. I don't know what, but my nose is making me crazy. And there. We're just going to put it on each one of these. I made this yesterday because I knew today for lunch I was going to make tuna melts. Nice. Excuse me. Okay. That's simple. Just leave it lined up. And actually I've got a little tiny bit left, so I'm going to spread it amongst this. This one could use a little more. And there. That was about 4 cans of tuna fish. Oh my goodness. This head cold's going to be the death of me, I'm telling you. Okay, now, you can use the shredded cheese, or you can use this as a deli. We get it from our local butcher, his deli, and it's just sliced American. Just lay one of those. This one's going to get, that one's going to get 2. Lay it across there. Okay. And I've got all my tuna fish is all seasoned, so I don't have to worry about that. But that's it. And we're going to put it in a broiler for just a couple minutes, just till the cheese gets a little melty and starts to brown, because I like it a little brown. So, we're going to put it under the broiler here. And when that is done, I will be back. Hey, I am back, and look at how nice those look. Let me get my spatula. Oh my, there it is. I just love them this way. The edges are nice and crispy. The cheese is melted and brown, and it's dark brown, just the way I love it. And this is how I serve them. I just stack them up like so, put some chips on the plate, and that's it. They're wonderful. And you can make your tuna fish any way you want. You can use any cheese you want. They're also good with a little slice of tomato on them too. Beautiful. So, there you have it, friends. Quick, easy lunch. Open-faced tuna melt sandwich. Thanks for watching.